Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I have the man, Tom Daley with me.
Hello.
Olympic bronze medalist 2 times.
Yes.
World champion.
Yes.
2 times.
Yes. Well, 3 times if you're including the team.
3 times if you're including the team.
Yona,
oh my god, I forgot about that. Oh, cool. My bad. But we're going to basically have a sticking competition, so it's Team Jamaica versus Team GB. Who's going to win? Let's find out.
The way we're going to score this is for a stick, we're going to get a 1. If you do 1 step, you get 0, and if you do 2 steps or absolutely mess it up completely, you're going to get a -1. So, it's game on.
Game on. Track stuff is done. It's currently 3 points to 2 to Tom, so Team GB are currently winning. Hopefully I can bring it back on the dry board though. Here we go.
Worldwide, on stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, about to take over the whole world. I'm talking worldwide, on stage looking right in your girl eyes. I'm talking worldwide, about to take over the whole world.
It's 1 step, 1 step. Oh, presenta!
I bottled it guys, I lost the point. Not doing good. Come on. Come on.
Are we allowing that split leg?
Yeah.
Face man.
Yeah, but I didn't step.
Nah, yeah. I'll do it. Thick.
We're going into the last round now. It's currently 6 points to Tom, 5 points to me. If he sticks, he wins. Okay? I'm still in the game. I need a mistake. Come on.
I gotta close the window before I record, cause New York don't know how to be quiet. Stand up. Third.
It's a thing.
Keep your girl in my Tommy boxes. But when it out, she'll sing it, cause you know the friggin' style.
Translation back double pipe.
Oh, man, just...
But well done, Yona.
Well done, mate. Unlucky.
We'll get the handshake. Well done,
That
Yona.
teamwork.
Point proven there. He's a little bit taller than me, as you can see.
Unfortunately, in the Team Jamaica versus Team Great Britain battle, I lost. Tom won. But I mean, he is a world champion and an Olympic medalist, so if you're gonna lose to someone, it's not a bad person to lose to.
No. You did
But-
bad. You didn't do bad.
I didn't do too bad. I was close,
Yeah.
but just slightly better today. But how about we have a race next time, maybe 100 meters?
Fine.
I've got some Jamaican genes, maybe that'll even things up.
I'm apparently 28% Yemen, so don't know how that's gonna help me. But anyway, funny.
Interesting. Anyway, stick battle done. Until next time, make sure you subscribe to Tom's channel. I mean, I'm sure you know who he is. If you don't, then maybe do some research. He's pretty good. Hope you like the video. Drop some comments below, and I'll see you next time.